We would like to take this opportunity to thank you for joining us here at Honey Beekeepers, where we are about to go on an absolutely fascinating trip into the world of bees. In this video that we have for you today, we are going to delve deep into the complicated topic of understanding bee behavior. You've come to the right channel if you're fascinated by these extraordinary insects and want to learn more about the mysteries surrounding them. The behavior of bees is a complicated and fascinating subject. It is essential for appreciating the role that these tiny creatures play in our ecosystem and is an essential component of successful beekeeping. The social hierarchy of a bee colony is discussed in the first segment. In order to have a complete understanding of bee behavior, we need to first investigate the social structure of a bee colony. Bees arrange themselves into a clear-cut hierarchy, with a queen at the top, followed by worker bees and drones, each of which fulfills a distinct set of functions within the colony. The queen is the most important member of the colony because she is in charge of laying eggs. Worker bees are the hardworking insects that are responsible for a variety of duties, including foraging, nursing, and protecting the hive. Drones, as a matter of fact, serve only one function, which is to mate with the queen. Foraging and communication are the topics of the next segment. The act of foraging is undeniably one of the most fascinating parts of bee activity. Bees are the most effective pollinators in nature, as they travel from blossom to blossom in search of nectar and pollen. But how can they relay the location of these priceless resources to their fellow bees? They accomplish this astounding feat through a dance that's been given the name waggle dance. This dance will be deciphered, and we will expose the mysteries it conceals. The art of hive construction is the topic of the third segment. Bees are expert builders. They form sophisticated honeycombs in the shape of hexagons, with each cell having a specialized function. The comb serves not only as a storage area for food but also as a nursery for young bees and as a living space for the colony. The worker bees are responsible for gathering nectar and pollen from various plants. The pollen they carry mixes with a specialized enzymes, creating a mixture that they carry from their mouths to the tongues of other bees. This method makes it possible to concentrate honey by evaporating nectar. Honey's sugar content is transformed into wax by the worker bee's glands. Wax is produced by bees' 8 pairs of wax glands, which are located on the underside of the abdomen. Wax-like flakes emerge from their skin pores when this substance pours out. Bees will chew the wax until it softens either for themselves or for a fellow worker bee. Bees use a clay-like consistency to glue vast amounts of wax into honeycomb cells. That is how honeycomb is made. The fourth part, precisely maneuvering through the hive. The navigational abilities of bees are known for their accuracy. They may travel hundreds of kilometers distant from the hive and still return with pinpoint precision. What is their secret to success? It is essential for them to use the sun and familiar landmarks as their compass. Whenever bees are placed in a new location, their maiden flights are often to mark their home, and geolocated their landmarks in their own unique way. These bee technologies are pretty accurate and allow them to travel far distances and return safely home. Defense mechanisms and swarming are the topics of the fifth segment. Bees aren't simply helpful pollinators, they're also passionate protectors of their hives and the flowers they pollinate. When they perceive that their hive is in danger, they will do everything it takes to safeguard their queen and their resources. Swarming, the process by which a new colony is formed. Bees will divide their colony in half, one set remain, and the other fly away to find a new home. In this way, the colony has a strong possibility of survival. This activity may take place multiple times throughout the year, however, commercial beekeepers tend to take steps to manage or limit the number of swarms. With that, we come to the conclusion of our video, Understanding Bee Behavior. We sincerely hope that this video has provided you with a deeper understanding of the fascinating world of bees and their behavior. It is an honor to be able to peek into the private lives of these tiny creatures because they play such a significant part in the functioning of our world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to speed on our next beekeeping adventures and other amazing stuff related to environment and conservation.